When you're raised in a scrappy town, you learn the benefits of hard work, persistence, getting it done right, and value relationships, family, friends, business. Our company is built on the same principles that inspired this city. The city where our team is the home team, and we take pride in every at-bat.
It's a home run!
And every snap. From the boardrooms to the shop floors, our business is your business. Precision, accuracy, calibration services you can trust. That's why we love what we do, and we love you sincerely. MSI Viking, your total metrology solution.
So by sending your instruments into us, it takes that headache away from you. It's a super simple process. 9 times out of 10, it's going to be 5 to 7 business days.
We're a growing company, and we're changing the way we do things to better serve our customers, and that benefits you.
I feel like at MSI Viking, we build lasting relationships.
We want to make sure that we're doing the right thing, giving the right information, because they're the ones that are using the information to build the products that we drive, we fly, and that we use in our everyday life.
At MSI Viking, our mission is clear: to be your single source solution provider for all your precision needs. Count on MSI Viking, Total Metrology Solutions.